This is a box of disc golf cards. It contains what I'm hoping is the first ever sports card that I helped produce. Now, I have helped design the back of another card in the past that is sitting on the shelf, but this will hopefully contain some cards that I took the pictures for. While I open it, I'll tell you the story. So I've been working with Brixton Disc Golf for a while now. Not too long ago, I went to Georgia to take pictures of Dylan Cease. Let me give you some backstory into Dylan Cease, who he is.
Dylan Cease will be the starter for the Padres, got traded on the last day of spring, joined this team and is hoping to reclaim what he did 2 years ago. Abrams to right field, Johnson coming in, he makes the catch! No hits for the Nats! Dylan Cease throws a no-hitter, the second no-hitter in Padres history! There'll be a sea of San Diegans celebrating back home today!
Dylan Cease has no-hit the Washington Nationals!
So Dylan Cease is a professional pitcher in the MLB. He plays for the Padres, but he also really likes disc golf. And so he bought into this company, Brixton. They design disc golf cards. And so he is now a co-owner, and therefore they made him some cards sort of showcasing that. I got to be the one to go and meet him, take pictures of him out on the disc golf course in Georgia. And I even got a little bit of interview stuff and some B-roll of him playing. We'll see if that ever gets used, but just a cool opportunity. So they made packs of new owner disc golf cards, and Dylan Cease is one of those owners. And they used the photos that I took of him on the cards, and I think that's pretty cool. Hopefully one of these is an autograph, but we'll see. So first up, we have Dylan Cease, co-owner, and a base Dylan Cease, co-owner. Pretty cool. I didn't design these, I just took the photos for them. But pretty cool designs. I don't know what all the different, parallels and whatnot are. But there's one. And that is what the back looks like. And then there's another. That's a better angle. They were all out of focus before. And here's two more. I guess these are all the different variants. Yeah. So these are all the different types. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty much all base cards, basically just announcing that he is a new co-owner of Brixton. You can see the two photos right there. There's a bunch of other photos, but just a really cool thing, really cool opportunity. I don't know if you've ever had dreams or aspirations, but one of mine has always been to help design and develop sports cards. And so being able to just take photos for this one, or being able to help design just a part of another one that I did, is really cool. And so being able to actually see these, seeing them available for purchase, seeing people buying boxes and them coming out, is really cool. And so basically let this be an inspiration for you to chase your dreams. This is just the small start of one thing that I wanted to do. There's been other things like this, but if you set your mind to it, you work hard, you reach out to people, you can do things you might not think are doable for someone like you in your situation. At one point, this was just a dream and a goal, and now it's something I've actually accomplished. So anyway, this is just an inspirational video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what your goals are for 2025. Thanks for watching. When you are done with baseball, are you going to become a professional disc golfer?
I've been asked this a lot. Based on my current skill level and how my body's probably going to feel at the end of my career, probably not, but you know, you never know. What a shot. Good shot.